Hello family, Sir here. In this video, I'm going to give you a tour and talk about a community that I told you about 4 or 5 months ago in this video right here, and it is amazing. Now the community is Heron Park by Pulte, and if you are on top of it, you got an amazing deal because they're already building, and what they're doing in this community that's a little different than some of their other communities is that they're building homes, spec homes, and then they're offering it to the public. So right now about 8 homes have already sold, and the community is only going to be about 54 to 58 homes. So reach out to my team and I so we can get you in contact and get current pricing for you, because pricing is skyrocketing. This community started off in the mid 3s, and right now, after 8 sales, we're talking low 4s. So don't waste any time. This is located in Steele Creek near the Palisades. Come on, let's take a look at this home and I'll walk you through things. Then in the coming videos later today or tomorrow, I'll walk you through about 6 or 7 different floor plans. Now some of them don't have drywall, but I will point everything out to you as we go through it. Let's get into it. Now we are about to go inside what will be the model home. This is the Hampton floor plan. Now it's over 2,900 square feet, 5 full bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, does have a sunroom. Please reach out to my team and I. We would love to represent you and be your buyer's agent. When you're buying a home, there's so much that you do not know that you have to look out for. And when you're in situations like this, when the builder's just building homes so quickly, you want to make sure that every attention to detail is paid attention to, especially if you're out of state or out of town, or even if you're local. You want to avail yourself to a professional, especially when it is no extra charge to you. It's already priced into the builder's price. When you came in, you had a flex room. This is the open kitchen, living, dining area. This is your large island. I really like these subway tiles as a backsplash. The contrast between that dark subway tile. Take a look. This could be a sunroom. You can convert it into a office if you wanted to use the front area flex room as like a play area for the kids. This is your living room. That's where a dining table could go. Let's go back. You have a drop zone. You have a full bath down here. Again, drop zone, that door straight there goes into the garage. You have a coat closet. And this is your bedroom downstairs. Perfect for those families who may have in-laws or a family member that don't want to deal with the stairs. You have a full bedroom and a full bedroom. I hope you have a full bedroom. You have a bedroom and a full bath downstairs. When you come up the top of the stairs, you have a loft area right here. Now this will be the model home. All of these homes I'm going to show you right now, they haven't been finished. They're not complete yet, but I wanted to get it out because they're already selling and prices are already skyrocketing. When they first released this community, remember I told you about it back March or April, but when they first released this community, prices were in the 3s. Now they're from the low 4s up to the high 4s right now. So the quicker you act, I know it's tough trying to decide how you want to buy a home when you haven't seen the product. Well, that's what they're doing. They're selling homes right now without the structure or you being able to walk through it. You're just picking on floor plans and blueprints. This is the 3rd bedroom upstairs. We went and looked at the other 2 already. These bedrooms are a good size. And we're about to walk into the owner suite, which is absolutely massive. You have tray ceilings. This will be your walk-in closet. This will be your owner suite bathroom. Dual vanity sinks. Now all the countertops will either be quartz or granite, depending on how the builder decided to spec out that home. Number is on the screen. Please reach out to us. We would love to help you. This was the Hampton floor plan, 5-bedroom, 3 full baths. And the pricing right now is in the mid to upper 4s for this model right here. I'm Sir Ashley. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon because I'll be releasing every floor plan that they have built already in Heron Park. Talk soon.